everybody. I hope you guys are doing fantastic today. So it is, I don't even know. I had to make a bunch of phone calls this morning. Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind was selling some hand-woven baskets that are actually done by consumers there at Cabell Wayne. I'm hoping to get into the basket weaving class, the new one, which doesn't start until March. But anyhow, they are super, super gorgeous baskets. And they had this one for your staircase. And my mom seen it on a listing that I posted on my Facebook page. And she said, I want that basket. So I bought it, and it's supposed to be delivered today around 11. So I've kind of been procrastinating, waiting for somebody to knock on the door. They said around 11, and it is 20 after 11 right now. So we shall see, right? Anyhow, today I have no idea what I got going on, but I am making cabbage, potatoes, and smoked sausage for dinner today. It just sounds so good, and I did not get those veggies prepped yesterday, so I'm going to have to go through and prep those vegetables for our Christmas party. So because I know I have to do that, I'm going to be cutting up a cabbage anyways today, so I'll just do it all at one time and just do all the prep work all at one time. Ronnie and I have had coffee this morning. I do have to sit down and really think about what I want to do with this party, just to make sure that I have everything. Ronnie and I are going on a little date Saturday, which will be nice. And if I don't have everything, I definitely will have an opportunity to pick those things up. I am going to try to plan some like little prize drawing kind of thing while my company's here. I'm counting how many people today in my head that could come, and the ones that definitely say they are coming. Then some of them, a couple of them haven't said they're a +1, but I'm assuming they're a +1. And in doing that, I want to make sure that I have enough prizes so that everybody goes home with a little something from the party. So we are really excited. My arm is itching. Hold on. Okay. So we are really excited about having our company and having our party. I think it'll be really, really nice, but I have a lot of work to do. A friend of mine is supposed to bring me an extra table because I'm kind of just going to lay things out sort of buffet style in here in the dining room so that everybody can just help themselves and mingle. I think I mentioned it in yesterday's vlog. We're going to do sort of like meatballs and cheeses and pickles and olives and those kinds of things. And then on this side, we're going to do like drinks and desserts. My father-in-law brought me 2 pies yesterday. They're in my freezer. And so those are going to be part of the party. I'm going to obviously make my stuff that I love to make every year. That's going to be part of the party. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. I did want to show you guys that I got this out today. I bought this. You guys remember when I was in Morgantown last at my parents' house? I bought this from Gabriel's, and it's a Pioneer Woman, and it's a really pretty apron and pot holder set. Anyways, I thought these would be really good time to get them out, and I think I'm going to put that on today while I cook and do things for the party. I don't know what it is, but a new apron gets me in the cooking spirit and get me ready for having company and all that good kind of thing. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll get to my peanut butter balls today. We shall see. We shall see. I will tell you that I kind of procrastinated a little bit on the peanut butter balls because I dipped those in chocolate. Tomorrow, Yes, tomorrow, which I will be sharing with you guys, Ron and I will be going to Appalachian Christmas Village, and I will be filming all that content for you guys. And in that, my friend said that he would take me by a grocery store on the way home because I need to get cases of drinks. And I also need to get some, I have it in my phone, some mini pretzels and some marshmallows. So the and I want to get some candy canes, which I may just wait and get them when we go out on Saturday, but because I think they'll be cheaper. But anyhow, the skinny of it is that when I melt the chocolate, I want to be able to cover everything that needs to be chocolate all at once. That way I don't have to reheat the chocolate over and over again. I can do the peanut butter balls and I can dip the pretzels. However, I did also think that I might just do the peanut butter balls in the milk chocolate and do the pretzels in white chocolate. So we shall see what I decide to do. But I'm really excited. I love planning these little parties and these get-togethers, and I'm getting excited about Christmas, and I'm just excited. You know, the shopping, the lights, the music, all of that. By the way, thank you for all of your lovely comments. Real quickly, I just wanted to throw this in there about my son's concert and how well he played. I just want to say thank you so much. My son has put himself through school. He has lived on his own, paid all of his bills. He has worked full-time, plus has been a full-time student. And he is very driven about his dream to be a classical pianist. I also think that he would like to, I think he sees a future of teaching music in college. And there's been some opportunities that have arose for him. So keep him in your thoughts and prayers, because nobody, I'm not saying there's nobody else deserving, but he is super deserving of getting what he wants, because he has worked really, really hard, and his talent is outstanding. I mean, I hear him play and I can't believe that that's my kid. That's my kid. But one super proud mom here. And if you have not seen the entire video, it was just a casual thing that he did in his living room with another student that he is acquainted with, who's super gifted as well. And so definitely check that out. It is so nice. The full video of the concert is over on Facebook. I linked it this morning on Heidi's homepage. So check that out. And Lucas, if you're watching, Mommy's really proud. I'm going to quit talking and I'm going to get to work and figure out what I need to do next. So they just delivered the basket. I thought I would show you. It's the kind that sits on the staircase and it's hand woven. I thought it was really pretty. Isn't that nice? Very pretty. Okay, I have been chopping up the vegetables and I've got dinner in the oven. So here we have peppers, and I always squeeze the air out of my bags and put a paper towel in here just to make sure it absorbs any kind of moisture. In here I've got my carrots, and in here I've got a lot of celery. And then I've got my broccoli chopped, and I've got my cauliflower chopped. And then my dinner's in the oven, and I'll show you guys what that looks like when it gets done. But right now, I think I'm going to make me a smoothie and plan out the rest of my day. It kind of got away from me a little bit. Here is dinner. It's all done. So basically what I did was, I think I put a little too much broth in there. It was fine though. I had a whole cabbage in the bottom. I had 2 or 3, I'm not sure, cups of chicken broth. I had 2 packages of hot smoked kielbasa or sausage, whatever you want to call it, and I had it cut into rounds. That was there. And then my father-in-law had given me a whole bunch of red potatoes. The good thing about red potatoes is they cook up really quickly. So there was a butter drizzled all over the top, and garlic, salt and pepper, and parsley. And so now you just plate it up, salt and peppered if you want it, and you can serve bread with it or whatever, but it is so good because the sausage and everything kind of marries each other inside this. It cooked for about an hour and a half on 350 degrees. But I want to tell you, your cabbage is so big and it is filled clear up here. So I had to cover it with foil until it would cook all the way down, and then I could put the regular cover on it. But you can also do this in your crock pot if you're going to cook it all day for like 6 hours on low or whatever. This is really, really good and so easy to make.
But I thought, well, let's see what we can do with this young man. Thank you.